Welcome back to Steve Rob Reviews. Today I've just got a little bit of a quick tip here. I want to show you something that I do when I'm cutting steel. I have my chop saw. It's my Milwaukee chop saw. It's very powerful and gives lots of sparks. So let's get to it here and I'll show you a little bit of a quick tip of what most people should be doing when they're cutting some steel. Well, for most of you, you're wondering, okay, so what was that all about? Well, I'll tell you something. For most people that have a chop saw like this, they do a little bit of fabricating like I do or do some welding. They have one of these welding blankets. And even if you don't, it's worth getting one of them welding blankets to cover up your chop saw, your abrasive chop saw while you're cutting, because you know what? I wear glasses and I have eyeballs. And if you can take a look at them sparks, they fly all over the place. So you have to actually make sure that you wear a good shield as well if you want. But you know what, for me, I found it so much easier just to throw the welding blanket over top of it, make my cut, and that's it. I mean, a lot of times people really don't take the time to practice any safety when they're out in their shop. They figure, oh, just going to be one cut here and one cut there. Well, you get one of them sparks go in your eye, or if they touch your lens of your glasses, it'll just burn a mark right into them and ruin your lens. So I mean, for the cost of one of these welding blankets, this is what I do. I cover it up and it's worked for me for many years. I hope you like this little bit of a tip and come back again in the future and I'll have some more tips too. You guys take care. Cheers.